How to deactivate your Quora account from the app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Quora account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture here, and then go down and click on this settings option again. And now it will take you to this page. Here you will find many options. All what you have to choose is the privacy option here, the second one. After you click on privacy, now go down and search for deactivate account. Now click on it and you will be able to deactivate your account easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.